And now your Fox 34 Weather Authority forecast with Chief Meteorologist Matt Ernst.
We've got the setup for some light wintry precip tomorrow. It is going to be cold, in fact, even colder than today, and we stayed in the 30s this afternoon. Late this week, it is going to clear out. 60s return here by Thursday. Outside, we're watching the clouds start to increase just a bit. Also, what's been pretty gusty is the east wind, 15 miles per hour. The actual air temp is 27, but the feel like 15 because of that wind. And the wind will stay up all the way through the night. Low at about 20. Chance for a light wintry mix throughout the day. The high only 32. East wind should be strongest in the morning, gradually backing off through the afternoon. You can look down to the southwest, see all the cloud cover that's moved up across Mexico, far west Texas, and here to the South Plains. That's what we had today. Those mid and upper level clouds, and the clouds will thicken up. This shows all the Pacific moisture that's moving up our direction. Also some showers down in Arizona. Fox 34 Viper shows a closer look here. No showers just yet. And some of the showers we get tomorrow actually won't be really visible, at least not with significance on radar, because some of it may just be this drizzle. Doesn't add up to much, but can cause at least a few issues on the roadways. You see some of the rain down there in southern Arizona. That's going to be lifting up across New Mexico. Winter storm warning in pink for most locations north of I-40 in New Mexico. That's where significant snow is expected. You see at this point, nothing issued around the Lubbock area because it's just going to be so light here. That's not to say that, there may be some travel issues. Check in with Bobby in the morning on Good Day Lubbock. We'll let you know if there are any tricky spots on the roadways or if an advisory is issued. Here's how I see it playing out. From tonight through tomorrow morning, the clouds are going to increase, and already by about 6, 7, or 8 o'clock, either some light snow or some freezing drizzle. On the scale here, blue is the snowfall, and you see through the morning we'll have a little bit of that around the area. Not expected to be much, but if you either get some of that snow that falls onto the roadways and then traffic drives over it, or you get some of the freezing drizzle, that can cause a few slick spots on the roadway. So maybe some of that in the morning, at least on some of the bridges, or possibly even into the afternoon, because remember, we're only going up to 32. It's going to stay cold all day long. This shows we may get another band of at least some snow within the area by tomorrow night. Main takeaway, all the computer models we're looking at show small amounts of precipitation. I know 2 months ago we said you may get a few inches of snow, wound up with 11 inches of snow that day. We knew there was going to be a lot of precipitation, didn't think it would change over to snow that quickly. There's not going to be a whole lot of water with this setup. That one in December, we knew a lot of water involved, didn't think it would change over that quickly. This is going to be light, clears out here on Wednesday with more sunshine returning. Outside right now, we're in the 20s, 27 Lubbock, 23 Dimmitt. And when you factor in that east wind, that's what makes it feel pretty uncomfortable. It's going to be strongest through morning, then the wind will gradually back off into tomorrow afternoon. So here are the lows in the morning, dropping down into the 20s and teens for the afternoon. Temperature does not budge much. 32 Lubbock, 28 at Dimmitt, and 34 Lamesa. If you don't like the cold, wait a couple days. Still cool on Wednesday, 51 and breezy. Then we're back into the 60s Thursday and Friday. It's going to be windy here Saturday. More wind to begin next week, but definitely staying cold here tomorrow. Kurt?